Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Joan, and I am thrilled to have my sister Jean join me to discuss the launch of our vegan collagen face serum that we've been working on for a number of years and believe now is the time to share it with the world.
Hi everyone, I'm Jean and I'm excited to talk to you today about our face serum that can add back lost moisture, especially as we're coming into the fall and we're going to be indoors and wearing our mask more and for longer periods of time.
And the nice thing is that our vegan collagen face serum is an antioxidant rich serum that delivers hydration, nourishment, and anti aging benefits to balance all skin types. It will combat dryness, reduce blemishes, and improve your skin's condition while wearing your mask. Jean, why don't you let everyone know about the wonderful ingredients in our face serum?
Well, we have been perfecting our formulation with a number of exquisite ingredients to achieve the most effective serum for you guys. And it's needed now more than ever because of COVID, as Joan mentioned. And our hero ingredient is seakelp. It's the kale of the sea, and it's a natural source of a number of vitamins like vitamin A, B1, B2, vitamin C, D, and E, as well as a number of minerals like zinc and iodine and magnesium, iron, potassium, copper, and calcium. Fun fact, sea kelp has the highest natural concentration of calcium of any food. And what this will do to your skin, once you apply this serum to your skin, it's going to repair and replenish your skin's barrier. It's going to heal, prevent dryness, and it's going to boost your skin's natural collagen production. And hey, after a certain age, we all need a boost of collagen. It's also going to restore the radiance of your skin and soothe sensitive skin.
Wow, it's just simply amazing. So, if you want to improve your skin's natural circulation, to heal dryness, reduce blemishes, and you want to infuse your skin with all day moisture and restore your skin to a healthy looking condition, then purchase your serum today while quantities last.
And don't forget the coupon code SAVE25. And remember, circulation
Circulation
beauty,
beauty,
nutrients
nutrients
in,
in, toxins
toxins
out.
out.
Bye for
All
now.
right, bye for now, everyone.